All right, y'all. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna be straightforward. It is about like 12 o'clock at nighttime. 12 a.m. to be exact. Like, I need to be in my bed. I gotta be up at 5 a.m. for it. But I had to post this little video for y'all because I wanted to be all dolled up and come on here. Like, this thing is like tripping. I want to be all dolled up for y'all. Okay, yeah, this is tripping big time. And look all cute and stuff like that. But I really don't have that much time. Like, I really be at work, come home, be a mommy, and try to get the business stuff together. I'm so drained. But I'm making this video for y'all because, you know, I love my K Cash Noel crew. And my ultimate goal is just to be, you know, that person for y'all. All right. So I'm going to tell y'all what I've been up to and what we got going on and what we got coming through. As y'all can see, I do got the 613 in my hair. It is now on our website. 613 wigs are now on our website. This is a actually 10-inch wig, which will only cost you $115. Ooh. Yeah, my 10-inch wigs are $115, and it is this like bob-like look. I like to flare this up. Give you that pizzazz. You feel me? You like that melts. You like the melts though. Anyways, let's not get distracted because these lashes I got on are 5D lashes. But for some strange reason, I think this on the side is acting up right now. I don't know if it's been irritated all day, but it's definitely acting up. But like I was trying to tell y'all, what's happening this month? Okay, not this month, but like between next month and this month, I already started stuff on this month, like getting everything together. And next month, my packaging should be completed because, you know, my people's got a little holiday that lasts for 2 weeks. I don't know. But yeah, they stuff lasts for 2 weeks. So I have to wait for it. Y'all probably like, what the hell are you talking about? Yes, I know, I'm everywhere. I told y'all, it is late. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best to actually speak like a normal person right now, but I'm so tired. All right, so pretty much what I'm doing is the next 2 months, what's going to happen is I have a whole new logo that I created from scratch by myself. I'm remarketing myself pretty much. So my old logo was dope, whatever, but it was not me. It wasn't me. Long story short, so I'm getting a new logo for my company. What I'm also doing is I'm creating a sample packet for my hair because a lot of people like to test out hair before they purchase them. And my sample pack is gonna be from somewhere from $15 to $20. And you know, you have the option to purchase which type of sample packet you like. I will also be adding Brazilian hair onto my company as well. What else? I'm trying to think of anything else I gotta tell y'all. The 613 I told y'all about to come on. My lashes, I'm adding new collections. Like I did have the 3D minks before, but instead of 3D minks, I'm gonna buy 3D. I already have them here, which if you follow me on Instagram, which is, there's K Cash Noel, and then my business page, which is Florence Extension. Excuse me. You'll also see on there that I have different lashes that I already have restocked, and I have the 5D 25 mm's, and I have the 3D 25 mm's as well. Those are gonna be lashes I'll be selling. There's only 5 different types of lashes I'll sell. Oh my God, I'm trying to make my eyes not go to sleep. That's how tired I am, y'all. Y'all see how that look? When I make this money by the end of the year, what I want to make, it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth these late nights because I won't have to clock in and clock out nowhere because I'm gonna be at my house posting videos for y'all faithfully, okay? Anyways, Lord, I can't wait to these days. Like I was saying, I don't remember what I was talking about, but yeah, my lashes are out. I'm waiting for my boxing to actually be able to start selling my lashes. Right now, like I told you, I have the 5 mm ones, the 5D MMs in my eyes right now. So yeah, so I would definitely advise y'all to cop some of those. Like, y'all see the prices of my stuff on my website, so just check it out. Just look at the price. They're pretty reasonable. I also got the satin the satin hair tie in the front for your frontal. I'm just buying them. I'm getting them customized as well. I also got the hairpins. Like I might wear a hairpin to work tomorrow that says boss. I'm playing. That's so ghetto, isn't it? But I might wear something that says boss on the side or whatever when I go to work tomorrow. I don't know. It depends on what I want to do. And then when I'm done doing that, oh, shoot. I'm sorry. I don't kick the damn thing. I'm sorry. I should stretch my legs. I got the Bobby pins and hair clips. I got all them. That's going to be on there as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think that's all the updates I've been doing lately. The Simple Packet is one of my biggest things. I really like a lot. I got new business cards coming out. And what else do I got going on? I'm trying to think if there's anything else. That's pretty much it. But I'm going to start doing y'all some videos on how to install your wigs. Like, I did my own install my hair. And I'm going to start doing y'all some videos to show y'all how I install my hair and stuff like that. To make them lace melt, you know. And make it look more realistic. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you how to do stuff like that. I'm gonna show you how to pre-plug certain things. Like, y'all don't really need to do, like, you know, when you had to bleach knots, sometimes you don't really have to bleach knots. There's a method of everything. I'm so tired. I'm so sorry. This is not me. It's not me. I'm also gonna show you how to make business cards, because I make all my business cards from scratch using these different apps. So I'm gonna show you how I make business cards and so forth and so on. If y'all want me to make business cards for y'all, I'll be more than happy to. Just, you know, I'll just ask y'all for different types of stuff that y'all want me to do, and if y'all like it or not, and I'll go from there. I'm trying to see everything I'm doing for you. Like, I'm gonna show you how to make my sample packets. I'm gonna make my sample packet. When I'm done with my sample packets, I'm gonna show y'all the final look of it. Yeah, that was irritating me. I'm gonna show y'all the final look of it for my sample packets. I'm gonna show y'all everything before I send them out, so y'all have an idea of what's going on. But all in all, it's been good. Like, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm real tired, but like, I wish I videotaped this to have more energy, but I highly doubt I have any more energy in the next couple of weeks, because this is probably like the most free time. And that's another thing why I don't be posting a lot, is because I don't have enough free time to do so. So when I get some free time, I just really want to like lay down and relax, because I'd be so tired and drained from everything I'm doing. So because I'm really trying to get my company, like, you know, ball rolling and stuff like that. And I'm trying to create something where my clients are able to purchase things without them, you know, like, oh, what if this, what if that, you know. I want you to know what you got is good, you know, like, it's not no joke. Like, look at my hair, like, look at it, your girl. All right, so, but yeah, I want to make sure y'all know what y'all getting yourself into, like being able to actually purchase my hair, testing it out, like stuff like that, make you buy your own bundles, XYZ, your satin caps, you know, like stuff like that. You know, like, I'm, of course, within the year coming, I'm going to expand more and more. By the end of the year, I do have a goal for myself. My goal is to make $75,000 for my company itself. And that's going to happen. Like, that's not even me like, oh, it's not going to happen. I know it's going to happen for a fact, because it's just the way I am. Like, once I put my mind to something, it's going to happen. So, yeah, we're going to get that together. And, I'm going to just pretty much show y'all how to do a lot of stuff that y'all could do at home without actually having to purchase people to do it for y'all. Some people would rather just pay people to do it for y'all. But me, I'm a type of person, like, if I could do it, why not? Like, why not? Why pay somebody extra money to do something I could do at home? Like, you know, like, only time, like, I wouldn't mess around with certain things on my packaging, because, excuse me, my packages are now going to be customized. Like, not to like the boxes, because I really don't see the purpose of the boxes. And for the hair, I really don't see the purpose, because I'm not trying to pay no box fees when I UPS y'all stuff out. Like, I'm not doing that. I just put it in a little, you know, like little, I don't know if I ever showed y'all how to mail my stuff out. I'm gonna show you how to mail out too. That's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna show y'all all the ins and outs of what I do in my company, so that way y'all know and y'all can have it too. Because I know there's like a lot of other small business owners out here who be wanting to know how to get the ball running, how to start off with the company. Like, what, I'm not got my blanket here because I'm really, yeah, I'm about to tap out. But a lot of small companies want to know how to get the best results of stuff. And like, you know, A lot of times people say, like, in order for you to start a business, you can start off, some people be telling you can start off with $0. There's a concept of where you can, but you still got to spend money, because you got to spend money on your business cards. And one of my biggest thing right now is, like, I'm trying to figure out, you know how you be like, okay, you're getting sales, but it's not as much sales as you want it to be. It's because pretty much you're not marketing yourself. My biggest thing is, like, I don't market myself like at all. I be so scared to market myself. I'm like, whereas my best friend, she just be like, yeah, she does this. And I'm like, what? That's has always been my fear, is like pretty much, it's like a little anxiety I have, like not being able to physically like tell people like, hey, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, XYZ, whatever the case is. But now I'm getting out that shell, because I'm like, I'm not trying to be working for nobody for the rest of my life, and I'm just like not in the mood of doing that no more. So now it's like, I have a lifestyle I'm trying to live, and this ain't it. I want more, okay? So, like I was telling y'all, I'm gonna show y'all. I had these cards that I made for my old cards that I don't like no more, because they're not it. They were like something I made when I first started. So I'm about to get rid of them this week, hopefully, because I say every day, and I never do. And I'm gonna try to get rid of them. So I'm just gonna be like going to different locations, like places people eat food and stuff like that, and just dropping them cards off in like different counties and stuff. And that way my company is getting this full exposure. I don't give that business on the floor. Somebody gonna pick it up and look at it and go on the website. You understand what I'm saying? So once that's done, I'm gonna have my new business cards come out. Then I'll be able to use those, because these cards don't even tell you on the card what the hell I do. It's just like a mystery. That's why I was like, oh, I really messed it up. And the prints are very small. So the new one, sorry y'all, I look so crazy right now, but the new one's definitely, it looks really dope. I wish I could show y'all how my logo look like. It looks really nice. But if y'all want to know, I go on my Instagram page, y'all see it. But what else I'm gonna tell y'all? I'm trying to see. I don't know, but I do have a goal. Like, I'm telling myself, like, by the end of this year, if everything stays consistent, my income from my company comes like double what I'm getting paid from my job, then you know how that goes. You know how that goes. But yeah, I decided not to wear nails no more. If I do, like, so if y'all see me right here with my hands looking like this, it's because that was partly my decision to stop wearing nails. I know I'll be up in here with my nails looking slayed sometimes, except for the last time. But it was solely my decision not to have my nails done no more, because it hinders me from doing hair, and hair is another way of my income to do. Even though I don't like doing hair, but I know how to do it, so I might as well just do it. Because I'd rather go to the salon and have somebody do my hair for me. But like I tell y'all, I could do it myself. Like, I just install my wig by myself. You know what I'm saying? So if you could do it, why not, you know? I'm going to show y'all my method one of these days, how I do my bold hold method to install with the wig cap and so forth and so on. And all that good stuff y'all need to know. I just want everybody to be able to like learn, because my channel is pretty much for people who wants to become you know, your own boss. Like right now, y'all gonna pretty much watch me transition from working a 9-to-5 to making what I'm making at my 9-to-5, because I'm gonna be making like double for my company by the end of this year, and y'all gonna watch me do it. This is the whole purpose of this. So if I do post once a month, please, I'm telling y'all right now, I do apologize. I'm heads up, and y'all, I'm so sorry, and I'm apologizing up front. But the reason why it's gonna be like that is because I have to get my company off. Like, I want my company to be like skyrocketing, and I mean like, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing, like how I invest in certain type of, because it's all about investments. Like I was trying to tell y'all can't just be like, oh, starting a company with $0. I'm gonna hand make everything. You know, it's not like that. It doesn't work like that. You have to invest in people who has those views on social media, like who'll be like, oh, let's post my picture, and they're like, you pay $5 for 24 hours or $35 for XYZ amount of time. Them people, you gotta invest in them. That's how you get people to come to you. You also gotta do your online. It'd be like post, what it tells you. It says you could post sugar snap, promote your products. You know, you promote your hair, promote your stuff, promote your lashes, promote everything. But like Instagram got that platform for you, so does Facebook. And with Instagram, there's a lot of people that be watching and they like come. But what I would advise y'all is like, you know, like once you off the ground and you really got your stuff together, your P's and Q, just do what you gotta do through Instagram, do it through IG, do it through whatever the hell you gotta do it through, and make that stuff happen. Because at the end of the day, however you present your company, that's how everybody else is gonna see it. If you're sloppy with it, everybody else is gonna see a sloppy company. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you present your company as with uttermost respect. With that being said, I don't know if there's anything else I have to say. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to talk normal to you guys, but because I'm so exhausted, it's like I'm thinking about what I should say and what I shouldn't. And I didn't even write it down. It would have been easier if I wrote it down, but I didn't. So, and there's something in my eye. So if you see me doing this, it's because something is definitely in my eye right now. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what how I'm gonna get off this, how I'm gonna get my monies. Cause you gotta get monies and spend monies, okay? So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna show y'all, and I'm gonna show you how you price the stuff online, all this beautiful stuff. But if I didn't tell y'all by now, I do have a group on Facebook called Jesus, be with me, God, I forgot the damn name. Growth in your company. So that I try to put an image up there, but Facebook is so weird. I wanted to delete it. It did not let me delete the group either. I don't even know how to delete it. If y'all know how to delete it, please go ahead and write it below. I am going to do a Q&A. So, y'all excuse me. I am going to do a Q&A. So those of you who have questions for me, go ahead and either comment below on this one, on this page, or on my Instagram page, which is Florence Extension, or K Cash Noel, whichever you see this video at. Just go ahead and comment below on it and ask me the Q&As, or DM me, whichever you feel comfortable enough doing, and I'll be more than happy to present it to you guys on this, because we're growing. We're gonna make this money. Like, I don't even understand. Like, people don't understand how hype I am. My whole goal this year is pretty much I am going to be promoting other businesses too on my website, like a lot of clothing line, shoes line, you know, even if you got hair or lashes or something, I don't really care. I'll promote your company, because the reason why I want to do this is because everybody needs exposure, you know what I'm saying? And I'm more than happy to provide exposure onto my platform for you, because that's what I do. Like, next time I come out here, which probably did this weekend or something, if I vlog or something, I'm gonna be dolled up for y'all, because I feel like I'm tripping. Like, I should have gave y'all like a dog look, but I still look cute, y'all. I don't need makeup. Let me stop. But no, seriously. I don't got nothing else to say to y'all. I'm so sorry. Just make sure y'all go on my page, not my Facebook, IG. It's Florence Extension and K Cash Noel. And don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and share as well, because your girl's about to be booming. I want y'all to grow with me, so y'all be like, oh my god, I was here when she first started and she was like XYZ and da 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 da. Yes, grow with me. Girl, but y'all just grow with me, okay? It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a fun little ride, okay? Alright, y'all, TTYM. I'll talk to y'all later, and hopefully y'all enjoy y'all beautiful night. And it was nice speaking to y'all.